See this? We have to prove that the value of this determinant is this one. So again, you can substitute the values and can find the answer. Anyway, this is the proof. So what I'm trying to do is, I want to make at least some of them as zeros, right? So here there is a possibility that we can make some of them as zeros. If you observe this, here there is 2ab and here there is 2a. Then what I'm trying to do is, I'll multiply this one with b and then subtract from this one and replace the result here, so that this element will go 0. Or you can alternatively do some other thing also. Here there is 2ab and here there is 2b. Alternatively, you could have multiplied this one with a and then added this column with this column, so that this element will go to 0, right? Anyway, any one of the values is going to become 0 here. So this one is made 0. Okay. And next one is, if you observe this one, right, you could pull out this 1 plus a square plus b square as common from the first column, because there is 1 plus a square plus b square here and here. You could have pulled it out, or even without pulling it out also you can do it. So what I am trying to do is, if you observe these two elements, so here b is there, and if you multiply this particular element with b, these two are going to be equal, right? So I'll multiply this one with b and then subtract from this one, then this element will become 0. That is why I'm multiplying first row with b and I'm subtracting from here. Now if you observe it, most of the elements, or these two elements of the first column, are zeros. Therefore we can expand the determinant across this first column, and when you expand it, you are going to get this element into its cofactor. What is the cofactor? Subtract, delete this row and this column, and the remaining determinant you have to find it out. So the remaining determinant, if you expand it, you are going to get this one. So whatever is required. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.